Unplug the power cable from the back of the head unit. Take out the Carplay main line. Connect the Carplay main line to the original car head unit. The other end connects to the original car's power plug. There is also a power interface here. Connect the Carplay main cable. The other end connects to the original car power plug. Unplug the video cable from the back of the original car head unit. Take out the Carplay LVDS cable. Connect the Carplay LVDS cable to the head unit. The other end connects to the original car video cable. Connect the Carplay LVDS cable and the main line to the box. Make sure to connect the touch plug on the main Carplay cable to the TP port on the box. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna to complete the Carplay installation.